Welcome, new Power to Weight athletes. Today we're starting with a beginner routine. It's just going to be intervals, 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. Very easy, zero impact. So do this if you're just starting to work out for the first time in your life, or if you're coming back to training. You can do this before you start any more serious workouts. This is the routine that you would do before you would do any of the HIIT workouts that you might see on this channel. So subscribe, join, follow these, do these for about a month or so. I will have 4 different workouts, and then you can progress to the other workouts on the channel. So good luck, have fun. Remember, if you ever feel out of breath, stop, grab a drink of water, pause the video, or let me just continue working out and rejoin whenever you feel like it. It'll be fun, it'll be a good time, and it'll be a good way to get started on your new training routine. We're going to go in about 20 seconds. Let's prepare. Whole point over here is to move for the entire 15 minutes. We're going to go through 15 very simple exercises. Just follow along, have fun. Remember, whenever you need to stop, just stop. But this is the least amount of movement we're going to want to do for 15 minutes, all right? So we're going to start in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 1 second. Just high knees. Give me some high knees and march. March in place, nice and easy. Remember, no impact. Bring those knees up as high as you can. We're doing this for 30 seconds. These workouts are not meant to scare anybody away. They're just meant to be a good progression and a good start point to any kind of fitness accomplishments you might have across. We're going to stop in 2, 1, and now we just march. March in place. This is the minimum march, always moving. Get that heart rate moving a little bit, so this is always the minimum. Just follow along. Next one we're going to do, we're going to kind of cross over from left to right with a little bit of a squat at each end. Squat as much as you want, as deep as you want. If you can go all the way down, go all the way down. If you can do just a little bit, follow me. I'm going to do just a little bit. I'm going to move over to the side, and we're going to go, ready? 1, 2, squat. 1, 2, squat. 1, 2, and squat. 1, 2, squat. 1, 2, squat. Keep it up. Keep it up. If you squat this much, that's perfectly fine. If you do this, that's also perfectly fine. And a little squat. And we're going to stop in 3 seconds. Let's finish just one up. And we're done. And we're marching for 30 seconds. Now we're going to do some high knees and some arm circles. If you like to switch in between, 15 seconds through, I'll announce it, and you can do them in the other direction. So it doesn't make a difference which direction you start in. But high knees and arm circles. Keep your palms up and keep your shoulders back, nicely extended. Breathe fully. And we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and arm circles with some high knees. There we go, guys. Keep it up. 20 seconds left. In 5 seconds, I'm going to switch direction and switch direction. And now I'm going backwards, and keep those knees moving. Good high knees. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1, and march it out. If you need to get water, get some water. If you need to towel off whenever. Or if you need to stop, stop. Have a breather. Either pause it or jump back in a couple minutes in a different exercise. 15 seconds of easy marching. Keep moving, keep moving. Now we're gonna go to a lunge. You don't have to do a deep lunge. And this lunge is gonna include a curl. If you wanna use a little bit of weight, you can. If not, just simply do this. Lunge and a curl. Lunge and a curl. You don't have to go any deeper than this. And if you can't go this deep, that's also all right. Tighten up those arms. Really focus, pretend you're lifting a weight, and tighten up the arms. There you go. 2 seconds, 1 second, and we're marching. Nice and easy march. From here we're going to go to this exercise. We're just basically going to do this, a little bit of a twist, and try to see if you can reach your hand to your foot behind you. If you can't, that's perfectly fine. If you can, that's wonderful. Keep it up in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Back and back, back and back. Balance on the one foot. And kick the opposite foot to the hand that's out there. Nice job, everybody. We're 5 minutes in. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and march. And march it out. Perfect. We're gonna go to a squat and overhead press. Once again, follow me. It doesn't make a difference how far you squat, as long as you squat a little bit. And then as you squat, you're gonna press overhead. If you want to use a little bit of weight, I have a little bit of weights back there. I'm not gonna use them, however. I am just going to do this entire thing weight-free. This is gonna be 4 sessions. Anyway, here we go. And press, and press, and press, and press. Squat and press, 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 press. Halfway done. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. Keep moving. 3 seconds. 2. Let's do one more. And we march it out. And we're gonna go to some single legs with high knees. And 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it down. And bring it down. And bring it down. Bring it down. There you go. As high as you can. Touch your arm. Touch your arm to your knee, if you can. Good job. 10 more seconds. Keep moving. Keep it up. 2 and 1 and march. Now we're gonna go to the old butt kick. So you basically are gonna do without jumping, you're just going to do this as you're marching. So not a high knee kick, but basically the opposite of that. We're gonna go in 10 seconds. Keep marching, keep moving. If you have to stop, however, stop or get a drink of water. But the rest of us, 2, 1, and high knee. I'm sorry, and butt kick, and butt kick, and butt kick. There you go, good job. And works those hamstrings, getting them moving, getting them fired up. Keep it up, keep it up. 5, 3, 2, and march. Now we're gonna go to a side step, kind of similar to what we did with the squat, but this time we're gonna do a lunge with a curl. All right? So we've done all these components before, now we're just kind of putting it together. And we're gonna go in about, the clock says about 10 seconds. So I'm gonna start marching on the side here. I can do my lunge and then walk over to the other side. And 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Lunge, side step, lunge, side step. I'm gonna lunge with the opposite leg. Side step, lunge, side step, and then the opposite leg. Nice job. Up, 2, and lunge. And one more, let's finish up. Let's finish up with a lunge. There we go. and 28 seconds of rest right now. So keep marching, keep marching. Now we're going to do the butt kicks again, but we're going to do arm circles. Once again, we've done all these before. Palms up on the arm circles, and I'm going to switch directions halfway through, and we're going in about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and butt kick. And give me good circles. Shoulders back, head back. There you go, good posture. I have to remind myself of that too. Good circles and switch directions. Ten more seconds. 5 more. 2 and 1, and march it out. And we got about 10 seconds left, and we are going to go arms up, and we're gonna go foot to hand. If you can, reach as far as you can in 2 seconds. 1 second, arms up, and foot to hand. Nice job, guys. 15 seconds. This works your shoulders as well as your core and improves your balance. 3 seconds. Let's do one more. And let's finish up. There we go. Now we're marching it out. All right, there's 4 minutes of exercising left. It's actually only 4 exercises by 2 minutes of exercising and then 2 minutes of marching. So from here, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to bend down and we're going to twist up. Bend down and twist up. Just follow me. It's an easy exercise. It'll work on those hamstrings and your flexibility a little bit. 3, 2, 1, and bend down and twist out. Bend down and twist out. Perfect. You don't have to grab your head. Just put your arms near to your ears. And we're done in 10 seconds. Down and up. 2, let's do one more. And we're done. And march it out. Perfect. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. This one we're going to do something similar. Got to put our hands between your heads and try to get as close to our knees as we can. In 2 seconds, 1 second, and go. 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 If you can't touch your knee, it's perfectly fine. 20 seconds left. This is a great midsection exercise. Gets your heart rate going and burns that belly. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and march it out. Nice job, everybody. Perfect. Now we're going to go to a lunge, but instead of lunging forward, we're going to lunge backwards. And once again, as far as you can lunge, or as deep as you can go, do the best as you can. We only have 2 exercises left. So we got it. And we're going in 5 seconds. So you move forward a little bit so I don't walk into anything. And 2, and 1, and then lunge backwards. Like I said, as deep as you can. You can include a curl on this. Or you can just leave your arms at your sides. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. All right, and we're we're gonna finish off with exactly what we started with, which is gonna be high knees. I don't know why, I like to do that for some reason. Kind of puts a start and an end to my workout. So we're in 15 seconds, we're gonna go to high knees. And after that, we're done. So if you guys want to repeat this 3 to 4 times a week, next week I'll have another new beginner exercise. And we can take it from there, and we'll build on this most basic one, okay? High knees, let's go. I like to bring my hands up, gives me positive feedback of what I'm doing. And I try to bring my knee to my hand, not my hand to my knee. 15 seconds. And then we're done in 10. Keep it up, guys, keep it up. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and there's the bell. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining me this week. Join me next week again for another beginner workout routine. Go get a drink of water, rest up, try to repeat this 3 to 4 times a week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot for joining me. See ya.